Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Chenab Railway Bridge inauguration. The Chenab Rail Bridge, the highest railway bridge in the world, is set to open for full use on 19th April 2025. The Chenab Bridge, designed by the German firm LAP with the viaduct by WSFP Finland Limited and proof consultancy from a UK-based company, was developed in collaboration with DRDO. The project started in 2004, but work was delayed until design adjustments were made in 2010. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April, while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501. Key features of Chenab Rail Bridge. The bridge, rising 1,178 feet above the Chenab River, is 35 meters higher than the famous Eiffel Tower in Paris. It is a regal deck arch bridge of steel and concrete. The bridge boasts a 467-meter span, one of the longest spans globally. It contains a total of 17 spans. Its deck superstructure consisting 785 meters. It is designed to withstand winds up to 266 km per hour, earthquakes of up to magnitude 8, and explosions due to special steel construction. It is estimated to last 120 years with regular maintenance. Strategic importance. The single arch bridge over the Chenab River connects Bakal and Kauri in the Reasi district of Jammu and Kashmir, serving as an important route between Katra and Banihal. It is part of the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link project, which aims to integrate the Jammu and Kashmir region into the Indian railway system. The Chenab Bridge is part of the ambitious Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat initiative, which seeks to link Kashmir with the rest of the country. The bridge will provide all-weather connectivity, boosting the region's economic prospects, especially in trade and tourism. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following is not a feature of the Chenab Railway Bridge? It is part of the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla Rail Link project. It has a span of 467 meters, one of the longest spans globally. It is designed to withstand winds of up to 200 km per hour. It is capable of withstanding earthquakes of up to magnitude 8. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.